So why all the fuss about sneezes? For a long time, people genuinely thought sneezing could be dangerous. Some even believed that for a split second, your soul actually left your body when you sneezed. To bless you was like a spiritual lasso to pull it back in. Fast forward a few centuries, and we find sneezing tied to even stranger beliefs. In England during the 16th century, people thought a sneeze was so powerful it could actually be fatal. Some even claimed sneezing could stop your heart for a second. So saying bless you was a way to make sure you survived the ordeal of expelling a little bit of air. And if that didn't work, then at least you'd have fresh blessings for your trip upstairs. Now science has thankfully cleared this up.